What I wish I knew in science class instead of algebra. Why do we get hiccups? Let's find out. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that's the muscle that helps you breathe, gets irritated. It freaks out and contracts suddenly, forcing you to suck in air quickly. This rush of air makes your vocal cords snap shut, causing that classic hic sound. But what triggers this? It could be anything from eating too fast to drinking fizzy drinks or even getting too excited. Some scientists believe it might even be a leftover reflex from when we were babies learning to breathe. So next time you hiccup, just remember your body is having a little muscle spasm party. And if they won't go away, try holding your breath or drinking water. Science. It's hiccuping awesome. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this cool, and subscribe for more brainy bites.